welcome to Show Me St. Louis. I'm Mary Colwriter.
And I'm Malik Wilson. Thanks for tuning in. And for those of you watching on 5+, we thank you as well.
Now, Malik, how are we feeling Tuesday morning?
Feeling good on this Tuesday morning.
Yes, we are feeling pretty good because
there's some merch.
And we want everyone to know we don't know what's in this box.
We don't. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. It's from CITY SC, and we purposely said, we received the box this morning. We said we're not going to open it. We want live reaction.
A live reaction.
This is a live unboxing.
So you want to crack it open?
Let's crack it open.
Let's do it.
So this is their new collab with Smino.
Ooh, and Smino is a rapper here from North County, St. Louis. Oh my.
That's pretty fresh. That's pretty fresh.
Oh my.
STO World.
Oh wow.
Ooh.
So it's Smino World. Okay.
Oh boy. This is it.
So
This is it. This is what Teus,
videographer, has already seen this, and
he asked for
he
this.
said, "I want the heaviest thing in there."
And we were like, "Is there a rock?
A Smino mug or something?"
That's what he wants. That is really cool. Okay, so this proceeds from this new streetwear-inspired collab actually helped the tornado relief, and it just launched today. So now you can officially get this while supplies last.
And it's only today, correct? If I'm not mistaken.
While supplies last. If there's tomorrow, I don't know, because this is pretty epic. That's really cool. I could see why Teus called dibs.
Yeah.
We might have to revisit that though, Teus, because
this is how you do for Christmas when your parents get you something.
Yes, try it on.
Take a picture.